victory! Gawa tayo ng morning routine natin. Chips. Ito yung snacks ko muna sa school. Ito yung morning breakfast. Alam niyo guys, bata ko. Tapos guys, isasali ko na yung mga tira ko. Then a chip. Yan guys, tapos na ako agad. Then guys, after that, nag-ASMR na ako. Then nag-aayos ako ng gadgets. Okay, I'm so sorry.
Driving down the street, here comes the fire truck. Beep, beep, beep. Here comes the fire truck. Look at it go. Here comes the fire truck. Wave hello.
So guys, dito ko get ready for school. Wala nang mag-video.
Connect the hose.
Then, pupul na ko, right?
Connect the hose. Connect the hose. Connect the hose. Here comes the fire truck driving down the street. Here comes the fire truck. Beep, beep, beep. Here comes the fire truck. Let it go.
Guys, dapat tayo kay Gavin, guys, di ba? So, magpa-face reveal kami ni Gavin. I mean tomorrow. Tomorrow, guys, promise. Hapon. Like, mga 5 or 6 or 7. Dahil magluluto uli ako ng kulang para mamaya hapon. And I'm gonna pour it right here on this little container.
Here comes the fire truck driving down the street. Here comes the fire truck. Beep, beep, beep.
Guys, I never opened my cake cutter.
Go. Here comes the fire truck. Wave hello.
Tapos dito ko naman nilalagay. Dito ko naman ilalagay yung alam niyo guys, yung ilalagay ko.
Spray the water.
Then, dito naman yung spray paint sense. Paint sense ko.
Comes the fire truck driving down the street. Here comes the fire truck.
At, then here is the color pencils. Guys, wala hindi siya kasha dahil may mga maliit pa kang pwede kong gawin dito. So guys, alam mo yung ate nyo. So ako yung nila ng video, you cannot comment any inappropriate content because I know what is inappropriate content, guys. Anong sabihin niyo sa akin?
Got me sitting on the party, Tweedledee. Sitting on the party, I'm a big kid. Sitting on the party, it's party time. Look at me,
Dito yung lagayan ko.
Tweedledee.
Game of hamburger.
I'm a big kid. Sitting on the party.